Hey, this is your friend Coach Gogo here at the Small Business Digital Coach. I have a special little app platform here for you today. It's Launchstash. This is a new discovery for me, and I loved it from the moment I saw it. It's very easy to understand. It says make money with your referral links, but you'll find that if you, with a little bit of creativity, you can do that and so much more. But here it is: stash, organize, and share your referral links. Find products used by people you trust, and you'll see in a second that they definitely fulfill this value proposition. Now, the sign on is through Twitter, and so I've already given permissions. I'm in, and you look at that. That's my handsome face over on that side. And guess what? They've got a feed, they've got a central feed so you can see stashes that people have, and you can kind of check out, so let's look at that. Doc Williams is, I'm a fan of his, and um, he checks out apps and things like that and helps some brands. So you can look at various things. You can see whose stashes are, top stashes. But here's what's valuable. I'm going to show you some of my stuff. Let's see, what is this? Okay, that's a feed. Why don't we check out my stash? All right, so this is my stash board. You can see some of the apps that I've stashed, and these are apps that I am recommending. And I'll, before we're done with this, I'll show you how I can stash a new product. Oh, I think I'm missing something here. Let's move this. See if I can see one of my previous stacks. Oh, there we go. We check out if I've done a stack. I think I've done at least one stack. Okay, so that's the no-code toolkit. Let's see what it looks like on the page. I can add, I can remove, I can adjust it. But let's see, the no-code toolkit it was the first thing that I created on here. And let's look at it from, I hope I can give you an external view. There we go. So, and I just kind of got started on it. Alceta is a great tool, a great platform that I just recently put a client on, loved it. Of course, Airtable, Stripe, Webflow. So I haven't even got started with it, but it was very easy to do. And my affiliate links right there. So you can put in your affiliate link. Let me show you how that goes. Let's see. There we go. So I am going to create one for Launchstash right now. Let's see. So go ahead and I'll put my information. So this is just me making a comment. Launchstash is a simple, easy to use Twitter-based tool to help you collect, curate, and monetize apps, tools, and, well, let's just leave it at that for now, and more. Okay, so I'm making this video. I'll probably put this video in here the next time I edit this. Okay, so now I'm gonna say, what's the name of this? Product name, Launchstash. All right, there it is. And then I put in the address, of course, stash. Okay, so now it gives you the option to add to a stack. So let's go ahead and add to a stack. So choose a stack. Oh, okay. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that for now. I'll create a new stack. So let's get a new stack going. Let's get a new stack going and see what we got here. Sorry about that. Okay, so stack URL. Just call it affiliate tools. I don't know if someone else has that. So some recommended tools that any affiliate marketer can use to grow your business. I'll probably change this later. All right. So there, grab launch stack. And do I have anything else here? Okay, so I'll add some stuff later, but for now, let's call it launch stack. Let's see if maybe we'll just call it affiliate tools. I don't know if that's going to work as a URL creator shortcut. Okay, stash. All right, and it says affiliate tools. So let's go look at it in the external view and see what we got there. Okay. All right, so it's okay, so it's just the launch stash. So, but that's it. It's simple, it's easy, and check it out, see how you like it, and let me know what you think. All right.